to Windup Project. I'm Marla Mogul. I am the Guinness World Record holder for having the most Windup toys in a private collection. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see my collection of Windup toys. Today we're taking it in the bathtub with some water toys, which are everybody's favorites. I've done a video in the past that was some of my smaller Windup toys that go in the water, and today I'm going to show you some of the larger ones. This first one is a submarine. It says Kadett on the side, and it's got stickers that have the holes for the windows and the propeller, which makes it go. Let's see what this one does once you put it in the water. And it's slippery, so it's very hard to wind up and keep it wound up before you put it in the water. There it goes. It doesn't stay wound up for very long. Oh, there we go. Very cute. It goes really fast and it's really hard to see. The propeller is actually still going. And then once the propeller stops, it just sinks to the bottom. Next is a Snorkeler. I think this is so cute. Let's see what she does when she is placed in the water. It looks like her arms are gonna flap. And that'll make her swim. Here she goes. So cute. So cute. I'm not sure that snorkelers use their arms that much, but potentially they could. What I love about these water toys is they're so great for when you're bathing young children to play with. It's just so cute and so fun. And I remember when my kids were little, they used to laugh. This next one is a scuba diver. Now this is a very new toy. I actually purchased this recently at Tom's Toys in Beverly Hills, and I know it's also available at many other stores. This is a new swimmer's scuba diver wind-up toy, and it is called the Sea Baby Bath Toys by Toysmith. I'm not sure I've actually put this one in the water yet since it's so new. I'm excited to see it. Oh, that's so cute. The flippers are going really fast. Cute. I love that one. And it's very big and it's just adorable. I love the colors. Next, this one is a rubber toy. It's actually squishy and it looks to me like it's a shark, but this shark does not look very scary. Now, for a lot of these wind-up toys, the wind-up mechanism is actually on the bottom, and it's plastic. So being on the bottom makes it really hard to wind it up and then keep it wound up before it gets in the water. Very wobbly. We've got a wobbly shark. Let's see. And he's so cute. Doesn't look very scary to me. Bumping into the walls a little bit, doesn't have a real good sense of direction or just not good eyesight. This last one is adorable. This is a fish wearing glasses. I did a little bit of research, and because it's yellow with the blue spots, it could potentially be a Pacific Coral Rabbitfish. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm calling them. Let's see, I'm gonna leave the shark in there. Now he goes quite fast as his flippers move around, and I'm not sure he would last real long in the real water with the shark right next to him. That shark really goes a long time. I think this one does too. And I just love those glasses. Do you remember the incredible Mr. Limpet? I think that's what it was called. This goes way back. It was a movie with Don Knotts. If I recall correctly, he was a fish at one point wearing glasses. I could be wrong, but that just popped into my head. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and remember to keep smiling.
Quack.